Hi, I'm Stuart from SB Leadworks. Welcome to the next video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to knock up a lead dormer front apron. Okay, so this is the dormer apron that we're going to make. It's a little bit awkward because the slaters have had to slate this in to get on. It's going to make life a bit tricky to try and get the aprons in there. And what they have done is they have put a slate in there just to give me some room. So fingers crossed I'll still be able to slide that up underneath the soakers. So because this dormer opening exceeds 1.5 meters, what I'm going to have to do is split this into, I'm actually going to split this into three different sections to make it easier. The upstand is right on the limit of the sill. It just needs to be 50mm higher than the roof covering, which it just about is on this one. So let's get this made up. Okay, so as I said earlier, I've divided this window opening into 3 different sections. So I've just marked where those measurements are. I've also just put a 200mm mark, so that's what the lap I'm going to give these. So just measuring this first piece now, I'm just going to make sure I come 150mm past that corner there, up to that lap line. Okay, so now I've got my lengths sorted out. What I'm going to do now is get the angle. Rather than taking this off the front, what I'm going to actually do is take it off one of these uprights. So I'm going to set my angle to that, because what you quite often find is from that front corner, the angle seems to change. So if you were to take the angle off the front there, 9 times out of 10 that's going to be wrong. So I always take mine off these uprights. So let's go to the bench now and get this knocked up. Right, okay, let's get this apron knocked up then. Check my measurement. One metre 240. So 1 metre 240. Let's square that off. Right, so what I'm going to do now, this roll's a little bit dented, but luckily that'll be going inside the roof, sorry, the window opening. Probably end up getting cut off as well, actually. Right, so I've got 220 coming out over the slates. Rule of thumb is that you need about 150 to 200mm usually. Ping a line through there. We've got 150 wing on that. Just ping that. Right, so I'm just going to check my angle again. It might have moved since I've been moving everything around on that bench. That's still good. Okay, so I'm just going to bring the camera closer actually and just show you how I'm marking that. You might not be able to see from there. Right, okay, so I've just marked my 200mm, which is coming out over the slates. I've got a 150mm wing, and this is the angle that I took from this upright timber. And what I've done, just position it just like that. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut in there. I'm going to fold that bit up. Okay, so let's get that cut. Bend that up. Then now I'm just going to set that in with a setting stick. Do now so I can fold that corner around. Okay, so that is now ready for welding. Okay, let's get that welded in. I've just brought the camera around just so we can see what I'm doing here. Some cut piece at 150mm by 200. Just make sure that corner's square. Something's out. There you go. Okay, I'm just going to get a couple of little tacks on there, just keep them in position. Just want to clean it up a little bit now. It's got a bit of a dip in that bench. Those boards. That's better. Okay, let's cut some sticks off. Let's check for stickers. I think I might be out of luck here. That bit's alright. Okay. It's a bit cold actually, that flame's taking a bit too long. Let's turn it up a little bit. I need another stick. That's one. Oh, might be in luck. Just one there. Look. Still gonna need one more anyway. Got a little bit further anyway. Okay, and that is that all welded. Okay, I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at SLP Leadworks. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hopefully catch you next. Cheers.